Everyone, welcome back friends to this channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable clips in YouTube channel. The first thing you do is go to your studio.youtube.com. You can use your phone browser, or you can use a desktop. So once you're in, you're going to sign in with your YouTube account, which you know how to do. Then check out a video on how to sign in with your YouTube account. Then the next thing you're going to do is, from this left panel here, scroll all the way down until you see settings. Now to show you settings is at the bottom here of the left panel. Tap on settings, and to open up the settings option, tap on channel, and then you will see this option, advanced. Let me show you. Not filters, tap on channel, sorry. So you can see basic and advanced. So tap on advanced, then you see audience, automatic caption, advertisements, and clips. Then market. Once you've checked this box, it means that viewers can create and share short clips from your videos. Once you're through, tap on save. Hope you found this video helpful on how to enable clips in YouTube channel.